Rationalize the denominator. Before we start, do you remember the following remarkable identity? A square minus b square will be equal to a minus b into a plus b. And this is the key for rationalization. As we can notice, if we multiply these factors by each other, will give us the square of each term. A minus b into a plus b, or a plus b into a minus b. And here, for this fraction, I'm going to find the conjugate of the denominator, which is, as we know, radical 7 plus radical 3. And I have to multiply it by both terms of the fraction. Directly, I'm going to distribute radical 3 among these two terms, and it will be radical 21 plus 3 over a minus b into a plus b. It's equal to the square of each term. Then it will be radical 7 squared minus radical 3 squared. And the denominator will be 7 minus 3. And here, as it is, it's equal to radical 21 plus 3 over 4, which is a natural number or a real number which doesn't contain a square root. Same right here for the second example. I have radical 2 over 2 radical 2 plus 1. Directly I'm going to multiply it by the conjugate of the denominator, which is 2 radical 2 minus 1 over 2 radical 2 minus 1. Radical 2 times 2 radical 2 will be 4, or 2 times 2 minus radical 2 over. Also right here it's a plus b into a minus b. So the result will be directly a squared minus b squared, which is 4 minus radical 2 over the square of this number will be 4 times 2, which is 8 minus 1, and it will be 4 minus radical 2 over 7. For part 3, we will ask, what is the goal of rationalize? Actually, is to get rid of the radical from the denominator or numerator. It depends on which term we are rationalizing. Right here we are rationalizing the denominator, so we have to get rid of the radical from the denominator. I will write it in another form. It will be 3 over 2 power 1 over 3. What is the number I'm going to multiply it by the denominator in order to make this exponent 1? Actually, 1 over 3 plus what will give us 1? Directly, as we can notice, I can complete this one to be 3, and it will be 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then I'm going to multiply it by 2 to the power 2 over 3, and the same for the numerator. Then it will be, it will be 2 to the power 2 over 3. And here it will be 3 times 2 power 2 over 3, and the denominator will be same base, add the exponents. 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 will be 1, then it will be 2 power 1, and the numerator keep it as it is.